How to review community comments on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review community comments on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner, settings, and now just click activity log and then click groups, communities, events and reels, and here you will find community comments. And as you see here, you can review community comments on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.